This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hi guys, this is Arifur and welcome to HTML Basic for Beginners. In this lecture, I will show you how to run a HTML document on your computer. At first, you have to open Web Design folder. Just double click on it. Then right click on any HTML document. Move your mouse pointer on Open With. Now you can select any browser from here. I want to run with Google Chrome, so I am clicking on Google Chrome. Now you can see the HTML document is successfully run on Google Chrome browser. I hope you are able to learn how to run a HTML document